In this quick guide, I'll show you how to generate a statement of accounts in Zoho Books so you can easily track transactions with any customer. Start by logging into Zoho Books and heading to the Sales module on the left sidebar. From there, click Customers to see the list of all your clients. Select the customer you want the statement for. Next, click the Statement tab next to the Mails tab. Here you can filter transactions by date range, branch or transaction type to focus on the period you need. Once you're satisfied with your filters, you can print the statement, download it as a PDF or XLS file, or email it directly to the customer, all from the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully generated a clear and professional statement of accounts in Zoho Books, helping you stay organized and maintain smooth customer communications. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.